What if an AI could actually do the work, not just talk about it, and cut almost 40% of daily computer tasks? Something new has landed in the AI world, and it looks very different from the usual chat tools. Claude Co-Work is now out as a research preview, getting attention not because it talks better, but because it does more. So what exactly is Claude Co-Work? Who can use it? How much does it cost? And what are the real alternatives? Claude Co-Work is an AI assistant that takes real actions, not just text replies. It can work with files, folders, documents, websites, and emails directly on a computer. Instead of only giving suggestions, it actually does the task when permission is given. This makes it an agent-style AI, not a normal chatbot. Many people expect AI to do things, and until now, that rarely happened. Claude Co-Work is one of the first serious steps toward that expectation becoming real. Most AI tools follow a simple loop: ask something, get an answer, then act manually. Claude Co-Work changes this flow completely by letting users give a task instead of a question. The AI then plans the steps, asks for permission if needed, and executes the task itself. This shift matters because it removes friction. For example, instead of asking how to organize files, the AI is told to organize them and actually does it. This feels much closer to what people expected AI to become. Claude Co-Work is not widely available yet and comes with strong limits. It currently works only on the Mac desktop app and requires the Claude Max plan. There is no Windows support, no mobile app, and no web version. Access is limited because it is still a research preview, not a finished product. This release is clearly meant for testing and feedback, not mass adoption. Broader access will likely come later, but not yet. Claude Co-Work is included only in the Claude Max plan, which costs $100 per month. There is no separate pricing and no cheaper option to try it. This places it firmly in the power user category. For casual users, this price will feel very high. For developers, researchers, or people who save hours through automation, the value may justify the cost. Whether it is worth paying depends entirely on how much real work it replaces. At first glance, Claude Co-Work looks like a normal chat interface. The difference is what happens behind the scenes. It can access selected folders, use system permissions, connect to tools called connectors, and run multi-step plans. Before doing anything sensitive, it always asks for approval. Tasks like choosing a working folder, allowing desktop access, or approving browser control are required. Nothing happens silently, which keeps control in human hands. File organization is one of Claude Co-Work's strongest features right now. A simple command like organizing desktop files by project triggers a full workflow. The AI scans files, groups them logically, creates folders, and moves everything automatically. Screenshots get their own place, archives are merged, and clutter is reduced. Anyone with a messy desktop knows how painful this task is. Letting AI handle it saves time, though backups are still a smart idea. Claude Co-Work does not rush into action. Before executing a task, it usually explains the plan, asks follow-up questions, and confirms preferences. It checks whether files should be grouped by project or type, whether folders should be merged, and whether anything should be deleted or only moved. This step-by-step process reduces mistakes and builds trust. It feels more like working with a careful assistant than a blind automation tool. Claude Co-Work can control a web browser using a connector, which unlocks new use cases. It can open Gmail, check recent emails, visit websites, and read content directly. A request to summarize important emails from the last 24 hours can be executed fully. The AI opens the browser, scans messages, and returns a summary. Prioritization is not always perfect because personal context is missing. Still, the core action works as expected. Connectors are supported, but they remain the weakest part of the system. File system access works well, browser control is fairly reliable, and search tools perform decently. External app connectors are hit or miss and can behave unpredictably. This is not unique to Claude Co-Work. Most AI tools struggle here. For now, it works best with local files, desktop organization, and simple browser tasks. Complex workflows may still fail. Claude Co-Work can handle parallel tasks, which makes it feel more assistant-like. While organizing files, it can also check emails, search the web, or prepare summaries. Tasks do not always block each other, which improves flow. This reduces constant switching between apps and windows. It still has limits, but the direction is clear. This kind of multitasking hints at how future AI tools may operate by default. Claude Co-Work can turn its work into simple visual tools or web apps. It can show folder structures, visualize file distribution, or display archive depth using built-in artifacts. These visuals are not always necessary, but they add clarity. The AI does the work first, and then explains it visually. This combination of action and explanation makes results easier to understand and review. It also shows how AI outputs can go beyond text. Claude Co-Work is still early-stage software. It is a research preview, built quickly and still rough in places. Some actions work smoothly, while others feel unfinished or inconsistent. This is not a polished consumer product yet. Bugs and limitations are expected at this stage. Despite that, the core idea works well enough to show the direction clearly. Stability will improve, but patience is required for now. Claude Co-Work is best suited for power users, developers, researchers, and content creators with heavy workloads. It also fits people who want to test the future of AI tools early, not casual users. The high price and early-stage limits make it a tool for experimentation and productivity, not everyday use. Claude Co-Work is not alone, but it sits in a unique middle ground. ChatGPT and Gemini offer strong reasoning and integrations, while agent tools focus on automation with smaller models. Claude Co-Work balances both, giving more power than chat tools while staying more accessible than developer-only agents. Claude Co-Work's biggest strengths include real file system access, clear task planning, and reduced manual work. Everything runs inside one centralized interface. Strong reasoning helps it plan tasks intelligently before acting. These strengths make it feel useful even in its early form. When it works well, it saves real time and effort. The biggest weaknesses are the high price, Mac-only access, and limited connector reliability. It is not fully stable and still feels unfinished in places. Being an early-stage product means rough edges are unavoidable. These limitations will likely improve over time, but they matter today. Expectations should stay realistic. Is Claude Co-Work the future direction of AI? Major AI companies are clearly moving toward agents, automation, and action-based systems. And Claude Co-Work shows what that future could look like. The real question is not if others will follow this path, but when. Claude Co-Work is not perfect, not cheap, and not for everyone. But it is important. It represents a shift from AI that only talks to AI that acts. For people waiting for AI to help with real work, this is a strong signal of what is coming next. Whether it fits daily workflows depends on individual needs. One thing is clear. This is more than just another chat update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.